We are starting today's program from the road sector and precisely from Section 2 of the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, spanning kilometer 44 to 127 after the Shagamu interchange to the Ojo end in Ibadan. The federal government says when the road is completed, it will be a thing of pride to all Nigerians, with it being the first of its kind in the nation and the signal of a new way of doing things in the road sector. It is also expected to be the precursor to a new standard of road in the country, which can be compared to the very best in the world. Join us on this trip to the site of the construction with Olubakinde Alabi.
This is construction going on the Section 2 of the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, which is a 77-kilometer stretch from after the Shagamu interchange to Ojo end of the road in Ibadan. The road, which is being handled by Reynolds Construction Company Limited, is to last for a period of 4 years. The project is an extension of the current dual carriageway from 2 lanes to 3 lanes with additional features that were not in the current carriageway, which is being scrapped off. According to the project supervisor from the Ministry of Power, Works and Housing, Olubakinde Alabi, the project being worked on is the beginning of doing things in a new and improved way.
Certain measures has been put as per the quality standard of this road. It's one of the cardinal of this administration and the Federal Ministry of Works to ensure first the incorporation of the rightful materials on the road, both in quality and both in workmanship. The workmanship engaged, the quality engaged on this road are of the required standard, and we are working in accordance with Nigerian standard. We have our specification for roads and design, roads and bridges. We have our design manual, Federal Highway Design Manual, another international standard that we are showing on this road. And apart from that, we also have monitoring compliance on this road. Our headquarters monitoring compliance from the design, from the material and geotechnics, another application for our design on this road. And we always carry out tests, appropriate tests in accordance with world standard design on our concrete. If you see our concrete works, if you see our asphaltic works. So before laying, after laying of all materials, we ensure that all appropriate standards are met on this road.
According to him, the project specifies better, more modern, stable, and more long-lasting road surface that has also taken into consideration the major issue affecting roads' longevity in Nigeria, draining of surface water.
On this road, we don't have flyovers. That's number one. We have construction of the pavement. We have drainages work, we have median crash barriers, we have rehabilitation and repair of damaged bridges. If you go to kilometer 71, you see the bridges, some bridges are in serious disrepair on this road. Some bridges has been burned, so we have to remove them, we have to replace them, and we have to reconstruct them. So that is what we are doing here. We are not doing any interchanges. And on this project, we are making provision for pedestrian bridges along the corridors of this road. So we are incorporating pedestrian bridges, we are incorporating street lights on this our road. Then we are incorporating concrete and other hydraulic structure on this road.
The project has also taken into consideration development on the axis over the years, since the road was originally built in the 70s.
As you can see, the project consists of incorporation of many works. Where we are now, you see that there are some existing road from the other bound. I think you can see there's some existing road. There's the median. That is what we call it expansion, rehabilitation. We are expanding the road towards the median. We are rehabilitating the old road, you understand it, and we are reconstructing the new expansion on the road. That's why we call it rehabilitation, reconstruction, and expansion work of Lagos Ibadan Express Road.
The road will be completed in 2022, following the addition of more features and jacking up of the initial contract sum.